welcome folks, Flip Knot here up at the Brap Star Garage, where today I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to talk about the gloves that I've been wearing lately. The name of the company is OdinMFG, and when I first heard about these gloves, I was a little bit curious because everybody out there who rides a motorcycle wants a glove that does one thing above anything else, and that's allow you to use your cell phone. Most companies try to say that they have something in there or whatever that never works. Those things never work. But Odin came up with something extremely clever. And when I first heard about them, I said, hey, let's give it a shot. Let's see how they work. So all of Odin's leather gloves, between their heavy hitters, which have the reinforced knuckles and fingers, and then I have right here, and then these are what they call their OG gloves. All their leather gloves come in perforated and non-perforated. Down here in Florida, you're gonna want the perforated one. It gets a little hot, which is what makes it so great for a cold weather climate. Completely guaranteed that these are the ones I'm gonna jump to when the weather starts to turn a little bit for those 2 days in Florida. So all of Odin's leather gloves have a very awesome feature. That's it. Magic, right? Guess what? Need to use your cell phone? Pretty amazing. At the same time, if you're an idiot like me and you start riding and you forget to cinch up your helmet like I did this last weekend, you don't have to take your gloves all the way off to get that one little task done. Like most anything else leather, it takes a minute to form fit to you and who you are and the differences between people. So my OGs, which I got first, fit me fantastically. My heavy hitters, got them last week. They still need some breaking in. Because of the finger pads, it fits a lot more snug, which is something that I prefer. Not everybody's like that. And the second best feature about these gloves, magnets. Genius, right? Put a magnet on a glove. They stick to your tank. You don't have to stuff them anywhere weird. They don't fall off. It's fantastic. Even their extremely comfortable moto gloves, have them. So this way, when you're on a ride, you just take them off, leave them on your tank. You're not trying to stuff them in your back pocket. You're not trying to stuff them into your jacket pocket. They're not taking up room. You just stick them onto your tank and you go about your merry little business. It's fantastic. Two of the simplest little things that make these gloves absolutely and extremely amazing. They don't sponsor me. They occasionally throw an extra pair of gloves and maybe something else in the package. They're easy to get a hold of and they're really easy to talk to. And they're a fantastic company. Speaking of being a fantastic company, I reached out to them. I told them, hey, I'm about to hit 10,000 subscribers. I would like to do a giveaway. Would you be able to contribute anything? And as always, they went above and beyond. They sent me a big box of stuff to give to you folks. I'm gonna be doing giveaways all this week on my Instagram, so make sure you go and follow me on my Instagram. They have these awesome Odin shirts. They sent this Odin shirt. That's the back. That's the front. The super awesome embroidery on the sleeve. They sent me this shirt. Every motorcyclist's favorite color combination, black, red, and white. All of these are obviously size specific. So when it comes to my Instagram, I'm gonna say, hey, I got an extra large. Please, only extra large people try to get it. Sent this super rad tank top, loyalty over royalties. This super awesome back thing, which I want to keep all of this. I might keep this one and the hat. I like hats. Hats is a thing now. That's what I do now. I like hats. I hate you guys. Why did you guys send me all this cool stuff? I want to keep it all. I asked for giveaways, not cool things that I want to keep. Come on. The hat and the tank top are mine. But the two grand prizes that they sent me, in my opinion, a grand prize. So I'm gonna be giving away this OdinMFG dry bag, and then these little things for you people who live in Florida. I don't know if you've seen them yet, but they're pretty freaking awesome. Recently, Odin has released these rain boots. I don't know what to call them. My Vans have been wet for 4 days from getting caught in the rain last week. These rain booties just pack up super small, super compact, If you've ever had rain booties from any other rain suit, the only thing I have to say about the rain booties is that they believe that they only go up to size 11. Even if I wanted to keep these, they wouldn't fit me. Odin. Size 12s. So again, some of these things are size specific. I'm gonna be putting on my Instagram. If you fall within those parameters, please be the ones who put. I'd rather that these go to people that are gonna be able to make good of these things. So for everybody who's been asking what gloves I wear, Odin Manufacturing. Go check them out. They got some amazing products. Go hit them up on Instagram right here. Tell them I sent you. And that's where I'm gonna end. Hopefully one of many segments like this. So folks, don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. And everybody, catch you on the flip side.